Hello and welcome to my latest installment. I'm going to cook just a regular good old-fashioned cake right out of the box because not everybody is a very good cook, and this is really dedicated for those people who aren't that good. And I can't think of an easier cake to bake except out of a box. Now this is a really basic cake. It calls for 1¼ cups water, 3 eggs, obviously the cake mix. Now I'm going to embellish a little bit and put a little vanilla in there. And also, when I grease and flour my pans, this is my own 2 cents here, this is an experiment, so bear with. But instead of using flour, I'm going to use pure cane sugar. There's only one problem I see that I might encounter with that, and that is that flour is used because it won't crystallize when the oven hits it, and this pure cane sugar might. But if it does, so be it. For me, this is a learning experience, and until you get back the results for me, I wouldn't attempt using the cane sugar. But I'll know in about an hour whether it works or not. I got my trusty Dortmeier Silver Chef. It's a 57 Chefy. Okay, enough of that. Add my water. Add my eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little vanilla. Ooh, that was actually more than I wanted, but I think we're okay on that. And just so you know, the oven is preheated already. And we crank up the Dortmeier. Now that's a spatula. Put in about half right away. Like I said, this is really for beginner cooks. There we have it. Into the fire. We have an oven at exactly 350 degrees. Put them all the way back on the top shelf. And note the time is 5:07. 2 9-inch rounds. 27. I was right, the sugar did kind of liquefy a little bit. It's sweet. And there you have it. My super duper, super easy, super fast chocolate cake. And that, as they say, is a wrap.